Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax Charleston. We're here to showcase our 2018 330 Outrage from Boston Whaler. As you can see, we have this beautiful sand metallic custom paint job on this beautiful Outrage. We also have the black boot stripe as well as the black accented graphics. This boat is equipped with a standard dive door, and as well as we've got the white Rubro insert, or with the stainless steel insert. This boat's also equipped with a standard windlass system. For this particular boat, we've got the 350 Mercury Verados and the joystick piloting option. So that's the outside here. Oh, excuse me. We also got the underwater light package on this one here. We're going to step on inside and check out the inside. Now we're in the inside of the boat. I just wanted to showcase that dive door option. So it pops out. There's a drop-in ladder for here for your diving, and as well as a pull-out handle so you can get in and out of the boat easily. Notice the simple construction, just latching it. Super smooth. This boat also has the live well, as well as doubled as a fish box in the back and the aft. And we've got the pull-out stern seat. So you have optional seating in the back. This boat is equipped with twin fish boxes on both port and starboard. These are both plumbed with macerator pumps. You have nice huge access to your bilge compartment and systems access. We have the drop-in table option for the aft here, so you can use this nice cockpit area as entertaining space. We have the upgraded leaning post here, so we have a nice prep sink, storage below here, and then the slide out 65 quart Yeti. That stores in a nice little spot here. We have the rocket launchers on the aft, the T-top, full hard top with access to the top, so you can get an optional tower. T-bag storage. We got the 60/40 split seats here, so you have a dedicated captain's seat, and as well as a double passenger if you want with flip-down armrest all throughout. On this particular boat, we've got the twin 16 Raymarine Axioms. Glove box storage with charging ports. This boat's also equipped with active trim, so you hit that throttle and go, and it'll obviously automatically self-level the boat to its optimal running surface. This boat does have auto trim tabs as well, and again, we mentioned that joystick option. This is the latest, so it's got the skyhook option, and as well as your built-in autopilot. We have a huge Simrad Mercury vessel display. We've got the flip vent for the windshield, so if you do want it colder on those hotter days, you can open it right up with a push of a button. Down low on the console here, we have a nice integrated plumbed porcelain potty, and as well as storage. You might see down in there, the boat's got the optional bow shade option, so you can clip it to the hardtop here, and put the poles in the forward rod holders, and this all becomes a sunshade. We've also got the teak option table in the bow with a nice entertaining space. If you want to check out this big forward lounge, you got the flip-down armrest. Underneath here, we have a huge designated storage. So we've got bucket storage down there that clip in, lock in. You flip this up here, lock it in, and you can now store your rods nice and comfortably. And this big hatch also locks and is well lit. So it's versatile storage. You can also get dive tank storage depending on how you want to use the boat. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our tour of our 330 Outrage from Boston Whaler. If you guys have any questions, please reach us out at MarineMax.com, or you can call us at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson with MarineMax Charleston.